Hi guys, today we're looking at the new and the smallest dashcam from Viofo. It's called VS1. Despite of its small size, it's packed with features. It comes with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, IMX675 5 megapixel. It records at 2K resolution, 2560 by 1440. As I said, Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. It has Super Night Vision 2.0, it has multiple exposure HDR. Besides that, it comes with fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It has built-in GPS, voice control, and it also supports the parking mode. I'll show you how it compares to another small dashcam from Viofo. This one is A119 Mini 2. We actually did a review of this dashcam as well, and I will leave you guys the link in the description. The main difference is of course the size of VS1. I would say that it is about 30% smaller than the A119 Mini, which means that you will be able to hide it even better behind the rearview mirror or anywhere else on the windshield. In terms of functionality, they are very similar. Both come with Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. Another difference is VS1 has two buttons, one on the side and one in the back, while Viofo A119 Mini 2 comes with 5 buttons. And of course it has the screen as well. I would say that if you don't need the screen, I would definitely go for the VS1. It has almost the same functionality, and it actually is cheaper than the A119 Mini 2. Dashcam comes with a 3M tape mount on the top. You can slide it off like this, and inside the base of the mount it has the built-in GPS. You can also rotate the mount back and forth this way. This will allow you to orient the dashcam on the windshield properly. The set comes with a 32GB SD card, which is great. This means you don't need to get one separately. I will insert the SD card into the slot. The dashcam supports SD cards up to 512GB. I will connect the power. The port is located on top of the dashcam.
Recording started.
In the front of the dashcam we've got the 2K camera. The resolution is 2560 by 1440. The camera is flush with the body of the dashcam. On the right again we've got the micro SD card slot, and below we have the microphone button. It turns on and off the audio recording.
Voice recording disabled. Voice recording enabled.
You can also use voice command here. Turn off audio.
Voice recording disabled.
Turn on audio.
Voice recording enabled.
Besides that, the mic button will also format your SD card if you press and hold it for 8 seconds.
Memory card format successful.
Recording
started.
This is actually quite useful. This means you don't have to go into the settings in your application and quickly format SD card using this button. In the back it has the speaker on top. Below we have the lock button, so if you see anything interesting on the road you simply press this button.
Video protected.
And it will protect this file. You can also use the voice command here. Lock the video.
Video protected.
And as you can see, it does the same thing. If you press and hold this button for 5 seconds,
Wi-Fi enabled.
it will turn on and off the Wi-Fi. So I will disable it right now, same way. Press and hold for 5 seconds.
Wi-Fi disabled.
And again, guys, the voice commands can be used here as well. Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi disabled.
And as you can see, it works great, and this is a faster way of doing it. Underneath the lock button, the dashcam has the indicator light, and below it we've got the microphone. And another voice command that I want to quickly show you guys is take photo. This basically tells the dashcam to take a picture. I will show you what else we have in the box. First of all, we have the trim removal tool. We've got the warranty card. The warranty is 1 year by default, but if you register the device, they give you another 6 months. We've got 2 electrostatic stickers, which you can use to mount the dashcam on the windshield. Right here we have the main power cable. The Type-C connector gets connected to the dashcam, and the USB Type-A will be connected to the car charger. And as you can see, it comes with 2 USB ports, which is great. This means that you'll be able to charge your phone, for example, besides powering up your dashcam. It also comes with another small USB cable, which can be used to connect your dashcam to your computer. There is a manual, quite detailed by the way, and we have another 3M tape for the dashcam mount. Right now I will enable the Wi-Fi, and we will use the Viofo application to access the settings and the playback. Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi enabled.
On your phone you will have to download the Viofo application. You can find it at the Play Store. Press it, and we'll have to connect your camera now. So it will tell us to go to system settings, which we'll do, and shortly you will see 5G Viofo VS1 FB86. So you have to look for Viofo VS1 as a Wi-Fi network, and right here we'll have to enter the password. So the password is 12345678. Press connect.
Wi-Fi connected.
So Wi-Fi is now connected. I will go back to the application and now press connect your camera. And right now we can actually see the live preview what our camera sees. This will actually allow us to mount it on the windshield. Below you see the resolution, which is 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames per second. The microphone is on. You can switch the camera because we only have the front one, but you can take a picture from the application this way. And below this is the playback button. This button stops and starts video recording.
Recording started.
And on the right we've got the settings. I will press the settings button, and I'll show you guys the settings one by one. Again, we have the resolution at the top, 2 options, 2560 by 1440, or you can choose the full HD. Of course, we'll keep it at 2K. We've got the loop recording options, anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. I'll leave it at 1. You can turn it off as well. You can change the exposure value. The HDR or high dynamic range is currently on. It allows to balance the lighting in high contrast situations. You can even set it to auto option, and for example you can set let me find it, yes, the time when the HDR will be enabled automatically. So again, if you choose guys the after option, press OK, and right now as you can see it's going to be on from 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. The G sensor, I recommend to set it to low. If dashcam senses a collision, it will lock the current file automatically. The date stamp, if you turn it off, you will remove the time and date information from the video. The bit rate, we've got low, normal, high and maximum options. The higher bitrate may improve the quality of the video, but it takes up more space, so I usually just leave it at normal. Time-lapse recording, you have various options for the time-lapse. This can be useful if you go for a road trip, for example, and want to record your whole trip as a time-lapse. We will move to the system settings. The first one is Wi-Fi channel. We've got two options, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. I definitely recommend you to use the 5 GHz option. It provides 4 times faster data transfer, which means that you can quickly download and easily preview your recorded videos. Next we have the time zone. You can manually choose the right time zone, and you can also synchronize the time with your smartphone. You can change the date format. These are the options that we have. The boot delay gives us two options, well, 3 off, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. The boot delay will turn the camera on with a delay after you turn on the vehicle. Next we have the parking mode. By default it is off. It has after event detection. In essence, it's a motion detection. So basically once the camera senses any movement, it will start recording. Then we have various time lapse options, and we also can do low bit recording. To use the parking mode, you need to get the HK4 hardwiring kit from Viofo. I'll show you guys how it looks. It has the red power wire, we have yellow accessory wire, and we have the black ground wire. On the other end we've got the Type-C connector, which will be connected to the dashcam. It also comes with the low voltage cutoff switch. You can choose different values here. Once the battery discharges to a certain level, the dashcam will shut off, but you still will be able to start your vehicle. We have made a different video where we showed how to hardwire the dashcam and use the parking mode using the Viofo T130 dashcam. The process will be very similar in the VS1, so I will leave you the link for that video in the description. The next is a parking recording timer. It allows you to set the timer to shut off the parking mode after, let's say, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, etc., all the way to 48 hours. In case if you leave it in the off state, the dashcam will keep recording in the parking mode until the parking cable, the hardwiring cable, cuts off the power to the dashcam. Enter parking mode timer. This setting allows to delay the start of the parking mode after you guys shut off the vehicle. So in this case it will start in 90 seconds after you turn off the vehicle. Next we have the parking G sensor, and again this relates to the parking mode. We have 3 settings, low sensitivity, medium and high sensitivity. It detects an impact or a collision and triggers an event recording. You can change the sensitivity for the motion detection in the parking mode. We have 3 settings, high, medium and low. You can rotate and you can mirror the video image. This can be helpful in case if you, for example, install the dashcam upside down. We've got the notification sounds, which we can change. We can have all of them. We can only have startup sound. We can have button beep only, and we can turn it off completely. Voice notification can be turned off. Voice control is on right now, and I'll show you guys which commands we have. We pretty much showed almost all of them besides the video start, but it's take photo, video start, lock the video, turn on audio, turn off audio, turn on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. You have to say it loud, this way the dashcam will understand you. You can turn off GPS if you don't want to see it in your video. You can change the speed units from kilometers per hour to miles per hour and vice versa. You can change the GPS information stamp. You can either turn it off completely, you can only have speed and coordinates, only speed and only coordinates. We'll have both for now. This is information that will be shown in your video. You can turn off the camera model stamp from the video. You can remove the Viofo logo as well from here. The frequency is 60 Hertz. The language is English, but there are lots of other options as well. You can format the SD card from here. This is our Wi-Fi information. This is a SSID, which we use to look up our Wi-Fi network. And you can change the password from here as well. You can set up the custom text stamp in your video. You can put in the car license number in your video, and here it shows us the free space on the card, and you can also reset camera settings from here. Besides that, we've got the app version and the firmware. This is it for the settings. Right now I'll show you how to preview and download videos. So you have to press this button on the left now, and as you can see, it shows us all the recorded videos. Well, most of them are black because our camera is facing down right now. But if you want to preview it, simply press here, press play, and as you can see, it starts playing the video right away. Again, because we have fast Wi-Fi. And if you guys want to download it, you have to press this button on the top and look at the speed again, guys. It just immediately downloads it to your phone. Turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi disabled.
To sum it up, guys, this is another excellent product that Viofo has released. It will work great if you're looking for a small front dashcam. Even though it's small, it still comes with Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, records crisp videos both during the day and at night. It comes with GPS, fast Wi-Fi, voice control, parking mode. We have used Viofo products for a long time now and never had any issues, so the reliability is there. Right now we will install this dashcam in our vehicle and we will show you the day and night footage. Okay guys, we have our dashcam installed. Here it is, completely hidden behind the rearview mirror. And now it's time to show you how it records the video.